Want to create a simple design for your YouTube channel art that's displayed correctly on all devices? Then this tutorial is for you. First off, scroll down to see your own designs. I currently have 2 channel art templates at my disposal. I'm going to choose the Wantabiz version. Before you start designing, first make a copy and change the name. Then click the zoom percentage and click the fill option. Then go to the upload tab and drag and drop your own logo. Now resize the logo and move the logo around until you see the purple marker. This line indicates that your logo is vertically centered. When you're designing your YouTube channel art, it's also wise to add some text that describes what your channel is about. When you're done, don't forget to delete the placeholder image and optionally add a background color. And the last step is of course to download your YouTube channel art. And that's how you create your own YouTube channel art for free with the correct dimensions. For your convenience, I've tweaked the channel art template so it also contains some room for your channel icon and the external links. You can download my version free of charge and no opt-in is required. Just use the link I added in the description of this video. Subscribe to learn more and ring that bell if you don't want to miss another update. And remember, Wantabiz is here to help you start your own business.